Hello friends, good afternoon. In this CSS video tutorial series, we'll learn a very important topic, how to use Google Fonts and why we'll use Google Fonts. If we use fonts available in your system, in your machines, and the website will be browsed in another machine, if the font in your machine is not available in the browser PC or browser machines, browser mobile, then the font will not be displayed. Then your website will be will not be useful for the clients. That's why it is better to use Google Fonts always, because is Google is giving a CDN, and Google font will be displayed from the Google websites. So it is it will not be any question whether the machine has that fonts, because it will come from the Google website. So Google fonts will be always available in the browser computer. That's why it is better to use Google fonts always in your websites. So how to use Google fonts? For using Google fonts, you type Google fonts. Now go to the Google Fonts websites, fonts.google.com. Say for example, we will design our heading using this. Most common is, suppose we will design heading with this font. So select this font. Again we'll design our fonts with our body with Roboto. So Roboto 300, select this font. Now all is selected here. Roboto and Borel. So we have to use this link. Copy this link and use it inside the head tag. Control B. See, Google provides the CDN link. So every browser computer will get the font from the Google website via this link. Now font family. In my PC we have linked the CDN link, but in my PC I don't have that font family. So say for example we want to style H1 heading tag with that family. So go to the Google website. Where is the Borel Roboto? This one, copy it. Now font family, let's see the magic. The font family, the heading changed according to the font Google Fonts. That's so useful and important. I have explained already. Now let us style it a little bit. Text align, center, font size, FS font size 24 25 pixel. Let's color it blue. So beautiful. We can increase the font size 32 pixels since it is heading. So this is a beautiful heading we have designed using the Google Fonts, and this font will be displayed anywhere in any PC, any mobile or tabs, because it is coming from the Google websites. Now this style, this body. Where is it located? Inside the div tag. Div font family. Now font family of that Roboto. This is Roboto font family. Copied from the Google. Control B. Let's delete one. Now see, font family has been changed. Let's style it a little bit. With 1000 pixel margin auto, that is 100 pixel. Why did you do that? 1000 pixel margin auto, text align justify, justified. So this is beautifully designed, styled website heading and body using the Google fonts. So we have learned a very important topic. Always try to use Google fonts, because the fonts available in your machine may not be available in another others machine, client's machine. So when they browse your website, this font may not be available and they will not see the font. They will face difficulty. So developing your website is will be useless. So always better to use Google Fonts. Thank you very much for watching these videos. Please continue watching my video and subscribe my channels, give like and share so that I can continue making more videos for you.